technicians that are so thorough and so complete in their diagnostics. And if you were to do this, they're up on the rooftop or they're in a mechanical room, they're somewhere out of sight, and you could literally be the best diagnostics service tech in your city. And your client, if they can't see it, if you're not visible, which you're not, you're out of sight, you're up on the rooftop, you're out of sight. If it's not visible, then you don't get credit for being the best. So let's talk about the anatomy of a PDF report that comes out of doing a diagnostics. Remember, in the Start Diagnostics, we went in here and we did this work right here. We checked all these checks. And then we went back, we returned right here to the diagnostics, and we sent the customer the diagnostics report. But let's talk about the anatomy of a good-looking smart diagnostics report. Let's download it. I'm going to click on that, give it a second. It's going to go right up to there. So it opened up, and I'm showing you all of the reports, and they're kind of in a small scale. So let me expand it by going Control Plus, where you can go down here and hit the plus down here. And let's just take a look at one page. This is a beautiful report. And the reason is because the technician went through all the task steps. They made all the recordings of, temperatures and pressures. They reported finding a bad circuit board. They checked all the check marks. And the technician that did it, Bob Fast, let me make it a little larger again, is the technician that did the work. He named it the HVC Health Check. Remember, you can name this anything you want to, the date that he did it. He provided no description, no model number, no serial number. I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend if the information is visible on the side of the unit to capture that. And then he went through and he made check marks. And anytime that you can put, your results and findings over here, I recommend you type something out. The technician is being paid to be thorough. And then when they found that the unit circuit board in this example was not functioning, that they wrote that out and they talked about replace it in a quote to follow from the office. Now, I want you to think about this. You were always doing good work, but not all technicians do diagnostics in the same thorough manner as this checklist provides. And even if they were, a client can't see that work being done. And unless you make it visible to the client, your clients are not magic. They cannot appreciate in you, in your company, in your technicians, what they cannot see you doing. So this report, this health check, is the way you become visible to your client in a way that you get credit and they see you as a better, more professional, more thorough company and group of technicians than your competition.